Clamping miter joints with bar clamps is a frustrating tug of war. The wrong amount of clamping pressure and the joint slips out of alignment, compromising the entire glue-up. The miter clamping tool from Woodpeckers solves this problem by directing clamping pressure straight across the miter joint, pulling the joint together, instead of forcing the 45-degree miters to slide against each other. Just clamp to each workpiece, then apply a third clamp across the joint using the V-sections in the clamping block. This ensures direct clamping pressure across the joint. Available in 2 versions, the MCT works with any stock width, from tiny quarter round to the largest picture frame moldings. Plus, softened ridges in the face won't mar your stock. Put together one corner at a time, or get the 8-pack and assemble all 4 corners at once.
The 1/8" leg for the gripper makes it easy to make precise 1/8" cuts on the table saw safely and repeatably. It's compatible with all gripper models, and it can either replace one of the existing gripper legs or it can be installed right over top of them for a wider overall ripping capacity. The 1/8" leg makes quick work of cutting 1/8" strips with the ease and accuracy that only the gripper can give you. Even with just 1/8 of our powerful green grip, it maintains incredible traction over the material while cutting small parts. Hey, you can even make your own matches. Whatever you need to make 1/8" cuts for, the gripper and its 1/8" leg is a clear choice. Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today and find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Expandable, powerful, versatile. The Connect modular clamp system from Crescent redefines expectations of what a clamp can do. 500 pounds of holding power secures your work with almost 60% more force than comparable clamps. That's strong enough to hold heavy objects upright with confidence. But the real power of the Connect clamp is its integrated connection system that lets you join and rotate multiple clamps to achieve almost any position. Odd angles and difficult corners, like those on cabinets and furniture, are securely held in position. Crescent twin locks allow you to easily add additional clamps, expanding your connection options. Simply attach a twin lock on the end of the rail and slide another Connect clamp into place. Connect clamps are equally useful as a spreader. Lift the bar lock, slide and reverse the position of the head. The trigger action now applies force in the opposite direction. Large pads provide maximum surface contact and protect delicate surfaces. Pads can be removed to gain additional clearance when working in tight spaces or around overhanging edges. An integrated pipe grip is molded into each Connect clamp. Round objects are locked down tight, preventing twisting when cutting and/or drilling. Durable rubber grips add comfort and prevent slips. And Connect clamps are built to last, with the rugged quality that has made the Crescent brand famous. Connect clamps are available in 6 and 12-inch sets, and the twin lock accessory.
Introducing Freud's next generation Premier Fusion saw blade, the most technologically advanced general purpose saw blade on the market. delivering best-in-class cut quality for beautiful top and bottom finish results in veneered plywoods, flawless top and bottom edges in double-sided melamines, and an ultra-smooth polished finish in cross-cutting and ripping applications in hardwoods and softwoods. Freud's radical new Fusion Trio tooth design incorporates 3 high-precision grind configurations in each tooth. A 30-degree high ATB grind delivers flawless top and bottom edge cuts. The axial shear face grind dramatically improves feed rate for smooth, effortless cuts. And the double-side grind produces a smooth, polished-like finish, eliminating the need for rework. Every Freud Premier Fusion saw blade utilizes a special blend of Freud's Tyco high-density carbide, specially formulated to maximize life and cut quality in general-purpose applications. Freud's PermaShield non-stick coating reduces gumming, friction, and the destructive effects of heat buildup. And every Freud saw blade is laser cut from premium quality hardened steel plate for superior precision, and incorporates polymer-filled anti-vibration slots which reduce sound and vibration for straighter, truer cuts. So when you're looking for superior high-quality results from a general-purpose blade on which you can truly depend, the results speak for themselves. Freud's next-generation Premier Fusion saw blade produces the best quality top and bottom finish in veneered plywoods and double-sided melamines, and the best quality finish in cross-cutting and ripping applications in hardwoods and softwoods. The world's most advanced general-purpose saw blade sets a brand new standard in performance cutting.
Skill's 15-amp corded circular saw is designed for experienced users who want more power and advanced features. Complete with a 7¼ carbide tipped blade, its lightweight design reduces fatigue, while the powerful motor delivers up to 5,300 RPMs to easily slice through lumber, sheet goods, decking, and more. An extended bevel capacity of 51 degrees with a positive stop at 45 allows for a wider variety of angle cuts. The single beam laser and integrated dust blower provide better visibility for improved accuracy on every project. Plus, there's a power on indicator and safety lock guarded trigger for added protection and peace of mind. When it's time to wrap up, the included tool bag is great for storage or transport.
Detailed cuts? Too hard to set up. Ordinary table saws? Big costs and zero portability. Here's a better idea. A workshop that's portable. It's the all-new Rockwell Blade Runner X2. The go-anywhere, cut-anything compact table saw. It's lighter weight than the original Blade Runner, but has more cutting capacity for wood, metal, plastic, and even tile. With blades on board and blade changes in less than 3 seconds, Blade Runner X2 will slice your work time, delivering professional results lightning fast. Plus, you can control the cut with 2 hands for amazing accuracy and connect a vacuum for mess-free cuts. The all-new Blade Runner X2. Anytime, any place. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere.